Thank you for coming with me to Big Lots. Guys, they have these t-shirt display over here. They were these graphic tees $8 and now they're $6.99. Let's look at what they have. What do these guys say? Let's see. All right, so that one says love yourself. Isn't that nice? I like that. So like I said, those are $6.99, and then this one right here is Mickey Mouse. Isn't that nice? It's hard to work with one hand. And they're Disney, guys. These are Disney. So those are nice. This one over here says, oh look, this one over here says beautiful. Guys, look at that. This one over here says beautiful. I like that. And what does this one say? This one says I should come. I'm gonna have to fold these, guys. As soon as I'm done with the video, I'll fold these. This one says I should come with a warning label. I like that. And this one over here says go your own way. And then look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? This is the elephant. That's very pretty. I like that. What does this one say here? This one says grateful. I like that. And this one says kind is cool. I like that. Kind is cool. That's very nice. You know what? I think I might get one of those. Let me grab one. Right, let's see. This one says wine and cats. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, blank Monday. I like that. I knew it was going to be something funny. That is so cute. Guys, here, this is a pineapple. That's cute with that print on it. What does that one say? Good vibes. Isn't that nice? Don't wake the dreamer. Okay. This one says MTV. And this one over here is flowers, wild flowers. Okay, looking good, feeling great. That's nice. Let's see what's around the other side. This one says bloom where you're planted. I like these. That's nice. And this is whine a little and laugh a lot. That's nice. Let's see what's on this side, guys. Thankful and blessed. I like that. Let me see. I like the big sizes. Let me see. Hold on. If only there was a skip intro for this conversation. Wow. Some of these I'd be afraid to wear. Okay. Sunshine, good feeling. I'm just an old-fashioned guy. That's cute. Mark, get set, leave. Oh, wow. Do you see that, guys? It says on your mark, get set, leave. Wow, that can be offensive. Okay, so that one is adult supervision required. There's Mickey Mouse over there. That one over there says sarcasm. And then it says bad decisions make good stories. Wow. I don't think I would want to buy those. Okay, 0 days without sarcasm. Let's settle like adults. So it has the fists, the fingers, the peace sign. Let's settle like adults. All right, let's see what's on the other side. Oh, this one says pizza. The space thing. The Beatles. This one says Mr. Fix-It. That's cute. This one says keep it real with a fish, reeling a wheel. And here's Star Wars, guys. I didn't even know they carried graphic shirts here. And then these are the medals of, what is that, sarcasm? Periodically I'm sarcastic. And then it has like these formulas. Okay. Let me see. In memory of when I cared. Wow. Everything's an adventure. I like that. Here's the other one. Dogs are my kind of people. That's cute. What does this one say? Significant otter. Then here's a llama. And here's Snoopy. That's nice. And then to-do list with Snoopy sleeping. This one says how to be awesome in just 3 steps. That's cute. How to be awesome in just 3 steps. Strong. Beard strong. Okay. Here's Coca-Cola. And what is this one? Oh, that's MTV. Hold on a minute. What does this say? Oh, Nintendo. Okay. And then this one says run like you're chasing a taco truck. That's adorable. And this one says you are Monday of my life. You are the Monday of my life. Wow. Okay, I gotta go back and fix these guys. I just made a mess out of this whole rack here. Thank you for coming with me to Big Lots to check out their graphic tees, and I'll see you in the next video.